Hello, my wonderful viewers. Welcome again to this tutorial. Here in this video, we are going to show you how you can join your cable. If you have a broken cable or you want to learn how to join your cable. So in this video, we are going to show you how you can do that. So this video is for those of you who wants to learn how to do it, or maybe at your house you have a broken cable and it is affecting you viewing your channels, or those of you who also have a joint cable, maybe the cable is moist or the cable has been cut in some part. All right, so we are going to show you how you can adjust and join it back locally without the use of a joiner. So stay tuned while we show you how to do that. But before we do that, if you are not if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button and subscribe, and also click on the notification bell. Click on the notification bell so that anytime we upload new video, you'll be notified. All right. Here we have a broken cable like this. So if you want to know how to join it locally, you need a solo tape, a PVC solo tape, and a cutter or a knife. So what you need to do, you give a little inch of your cable and cut it. Gently cut it so that you will not cut the other flexible layer or cable inside that this one is covering, like this. Okay, now you see this particular one, you are not going to cut it out. What you need to do now is you separate it and fold it like this. I hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Now from here, the other insulator covering the main copper, you gently cut it like I am doing it here. Okay, now the next thing you do, the other end, you do the same thing. Okay, now when you are doing this, don't be hard on the surface so that it will not affect the flexible cable that this layer is covering, like this. So you still separate this particular one and fold them together. Okay. All right. Now what you now do is you first of all use your plier and fold this copper together gently. All right. Fold them together gently. See what I'm doing? Now you can cut it a little. All right. So what you now do is you clamp it together like this so that it will still be straight. You take a little of your solo tape or PVC tape and you cover it. Now, why am I covering this? I'm covering it because I do not want this flexible cable to have a contact with it. So you cover it like this, and then the next thing you need to do now is you bring in these two insulator cable. This flexible cable, and join them together too. At least make the both of them have contact with each other, like this. Okay, let me turn it the other way around. because they are too small. That's why. Mm. So what you need to do, make sure that the both of them are having contact with each other before you cover it with your PVC tape. You now cover it with your tape. Can you see it? Very, very simple and neat. So make sure there is no surface. I mean, the cable is not visible. Cover it like this with your cello tape. Now, this is how you can join your cable. Okay, I hope you learned something from this video. Please like this video if you learned something from it, and also subscribe to our page, all right? Be it Facebook or YouTube, and we'll see you in our next video.